Are you passionate about running but struggling with knee pain? In this video, we reveal 5 essential strategies to help prevent knee pain while running. So, let's dive into it. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Strategy 1. Proper warm-up. Our first strategy focuses on the importance of a proper warm-up routine. Dynamic stretches and light exercises such as leg swings, lunges, and high knees help prepare your muscles and joints for the impact of running. A warm-up routine increases blood flow to the muscles, reducing the risk of strain and injury during your run. Strategy 2. Strengthening exercises. Building strength in key muscle groups is crucial for preventing knee pain during running. Include exercises that target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calf muscles to provide stability and support for your knees. Incorporate resistance training and bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and calf raises into your workout regimen for overall muscle development. Strategy 3. Proper footwear. The right footwear plays a significant role in preventing knee pain while running. Invest in well-cushioned and supportive running shoes that provide adequate shock absorption and stability for your feet and knees. Ensure that your shoes fit correctly and offer sufficient arch support to maintain proper alignment and reduce stress on your knees. Strategy 4. Improved running technique. Optimizing your running technique can significantly reduce the strain on your knees. Maintain an upright posture with your shoulders relaxed and your gaze forward to ensure proper alignment during your run. Focus on landing midfoot rather than on your heels to minimize impact and distribute the force more evenly throughout your legs. Strategy 5. Adequate rest and recovery. Allowing your body sufficient rest and recovery time is essential for preventing overuse injuries, including knee pain. Incorporate rest days into your running schedule to give your muscles and joints time to recover and repair. Engage in low-impact activities such as swimming or cycling on your rest days to maintain your cardiovascular fitness without exerting excessive pressure on your knees. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.